Hello guys, here's Shiuly and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a special recipe of brinjal and potato curry. The process of making is so simple, so easy, but it's really so much delicious with especially steamed rice, and you may enjoy it with roti, chapati or paratha as well. It will be equally delicious with all of them. So guys, let's see the recipe. At first, I chopped 2 big potatoes and 4 local Indian brinjals and washed them properly. Along with this, I arranged some onion, tomato and some garlic. I am showing you later. At first, I put some oil in the pan, and now we need to fry the potatoes at first. So the heat is on medium now. Without any salt or turmeric powder, I am going to fry them until a nice red color. When the color is red, I am adding the brinjals. No need to fry them separately. I am adding them in this pan, and now I am going to fry all of them for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat, of course. And after 2 to 3 minutes, I am going to take them off. So I am taking them off in that plate, that same plate. And after that, I am adding some cooking oil for gravy. Keep the quantity according to your wish, there is no problem. When the oil is heated well, I am adding some jeera, that means cumin seeds, half teaspoon, and half teaspoon mustard seeds. After the whole spices crackled well, I am adding onions. Here there are 4 onions, 4 medium sized onions finely chopped. When the color of the onions has started to be brown, I am adding some garlic. I crushed some garlic, about 8 to 10 garlic cloves. You may take garlic paste, or you may add ginger garlic paste instead if you want to add ginger in this curry. I am not adding ginger. After the raw flavor of garlic is gone, I am adding some tomatoes. 2 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped. And after that, we need to add some salt according to taste. After adding tomatoes, we need to add salt. Mixing a little, and after that I am going to add some more spices powder actually. So at first, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander seeds powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder according to taste, and here is 1 teaspoon of kanda lasun masala. It's a kind of Marathi spices powder. If you don't have it, then skip it, there is no problem. And half teaspoon of garam masala. Mixing a little, and it's very dry, so I'm going to add some water. A little quantity of water I'm going to add, and after that I'm going to cook with a lid. So little quantity of water, mixing well, and now I'm going to cover it on medium to low heat. In between, we need to uncover the pan and stir it very nicely to avoid burn from the bottom. After about 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low heat, the water is dried up, the tomatoes are nicely soft, and oil is released from the spices mixture, as you can see. So now I am adding a little more water because I want to add another important thing. Must try to add this ingredient. You will feel the change of the taste in this curry, and the thing is roasted peanut powder. Yes, I roasted some peanuts and grinded it into a coarse powder. I added about 4 teaspoons of roasted peanut powder, and it will give a very delicious taste in this curry. After mixing well, I am going to cover the pan for another 1 minute on low heat, and after that, this is the texture of the spices mixture, and the water is dried up, and now we need to add the fried vegetables we kept aside. Here it is. I am adding the veggies, and after mixing a little, I am going to add water for gravy. No need to cook for a long time without water now. So I am adding water. Keep the water quantity according to your choice, how thick or thin you want your gravy to be. So after adding water, mixing a little, and after that I am going to cook with a lid. So it's well mixed up. I am covering it on medium heat. In between, I uncovered the pan and checked the veggies, stirred it well, and now the veggies are cooked very well, 100%. So at the end of this recipe, I am going to add some fresh coriander leaves. I didn't have it much, so I added a little quantity of coriander leaves, and at the end I'm going to add some sugar, about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste of the tomatoes, the sour taste of the tomatoes. After mixing well, our curry is ready. The gravy consistency is also perfect for me. So now I'm turning the heat off. After waiting for about 10 minutes, this is the texture of the curry. It's looking so tempting. So now I'm serving the curry. It's so much delicious with especially steamed or boiled rice, and it's equally delicious with roti, chapati or paratha as well. So try this simple recipe at home and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.